I'm the dragon. Oh, God, it's so loud, too. Alright, that's enough for me. Ugh. Yeah, I said it'd be a pretty short stream. I'm gonna probably end it there. Anyway, I'm gonna play what you linked me, so, oh, God, what is this? I swear, man, if this is what I think it is. No, it's not, okay. Oh, boy.
Oh, boy. Oh, boy, what could it be, Joel? Oh, boy.
Alright, IKEA is the friendly shop where you get cheap furniture from the inside of a giant unending warehouse. Black metal is the kind of music that sounds like somebody screaming while trapping inside a burning church. They each possess a fervent fan base, and to tell you the truth, the names of the furniture in IKEA sound a lot like the names of black metal bands. Consider this quiz an educational way to learn the difference between the two. It doesn't matter if you know who Bursum is or we were set in a pre-binge here. It is time to have some cult fun. That is cult, I know. Alright. Really? You're questioning my metal knowledge? Fuck you, Rev. Is the IKEA furniture... Is it... Okay, choose one. What do you mean? Is it... What? I didn't even get the question. What? I didn't... What? Hang on, what? I didn't see it. No, I need to go back and redo this. I didn't even get the question, man. That's bullshit. I'm gonna do that again. Where is the question? Oh, there. Oh, God. And by the way, Absu is not a fucking death metal band. Mind you, death metal sounds like, you have that. Black metal is, Absu sounds like that. Sorry, but it's black metal. God. Craft. It's a black metal band. This is a... furniture, I think. Yep. Please. Oh, God. Oh, I actually got that wrong, huh? I'm pretty sure that this... I think it's like Belphegor or something like that. I inherit... Come on. Nope. 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 Fuck off! There is a band called that! Yeah. No, that's not... Come on, please. Samspelt basically means like... doing something in union with somebody. Come on, like... fucking black metal band called that? Please. This is like... foresty! Yeah, I'm gonna call my black metal foresty. Fuck off! I mean, even people that don't even fucking know metal know where. Oh. This means like... this means like a... wax on, I guess. Please. Please, you underestimate me. Oh, God. Yes. Oh, God, don't even try me. Either you work at IKEA or you play drums for bathroom. Yeah, because your knowledge is at the level of never saying the clothes. That's right, we're talking about anywhere camera. We're almost afraid to ask people. Blah 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 blah. All right, I like this. I like this. I've only fucked up because I swear to God, that one fucking thing I got wrong is a fucking band. All right. Yeah, sure you did, Rev. Sure you did. I won the game. Oh yeah, speaking about the metal. I nearly almost got done with my metal mixing. Almost. Yeah. And it sounds pretty good. You guys want to listen to my metal album? Guys, my metal. Alright. Clear you fucking do. Hang on. I need to put up a good picture for this. I need something appropriate for the music I am about to unleash on stream. I think something as brutal as this will do. Alright, yeah. Here's a little sample. Wasn't that a nice song? Yeah. Wasn't that a nice song I do? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, and I spent so much time on fucking mastering this piece of shit. What do you guys think? Sounds good? Sounds good. Drums, guitars, everything sounds even and Stevens and... Yeah. Also, yeah, second song I'm doing too, chugga chugga chugga. Yeah, I play drums, guitar, bass, sing. This is all me. This is like, seriously, that's what I like. I have full creative control over everything I produce. There's no people going, "Hey man, that sounds good. I want to have a turntable, and I want to slap my foreskin on the turntable, and I want the band name to be Smegma Lord." Anyway, yeah. The Smegma King. Yeah, that's my metal project. I will release this on Bandcamp. All that shit. Yeah. Electronic music style? No, I'm not. When is this being released? Whenever I get done with it. Hey. Whenever you... What would you consider the worst genre? I would say... outside nu metal, the whole, chill, did it for the Nucky, chill, the whole corn shit. That, aside from that, if you're talking about legitimate metal genres that are bad, I would say, like, porncore, or, like guttural slam, brutal death. That is some really, fucking objectively bad music. like, there's so many fucking bands, you know, fuck me. But yeah, you want some examples of, like, fucking the bottom of the barrel in death... Don't get me wrong, death metal, like, good death metal is, absolutely, how should I say it? Takes a lot. There's so many things in death metal takes so much talent. I mean, when people shit on death metal, they just haven't fucking heard death metal that is good. Like, what are you just Cannibal Corpse? You know, so much. Listen to that delicious bass. Listen to it. If you're a bass player, you should be fucking ejaculating thunder. Great. Anyway, I was saying, yeah, if you want to go to the bottom of the barrel of the fucking metal genre, yeah, just porncore and all that awful crap. You know, you want to listen to some of that, fine. I said I'd warn you, but you had to be curious, didn't you? You had to ask me, the metal expert, what the absolute worst is, alright? Here it is. Fasten the seatbelts, fasten your ears. We are about to delve into the realm of bad. And a 1, 2, 3, 4. Yup. Yup. You know, fuck it, while this plays, I'm just gonna put up cute puppies as this is playing, because I think it fits the mood, whatever you call it. So yeah. Do you think it will make a good music video? I do. I sure fucking do. Then Firefox crashed. Maybe for the better. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, give me a second. Whatever happened to Firefox, I have no idea. Because, like, with each Flash update, it gets more and more unstable. Anyway. Anyway. Let's make a music video live. Alright, you guys ready? Sure am. Let's end the stream with the bag. And a 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, when you make good music, you gotta say, let's sample Japanese porn in the background. Ugh. Anyway, there is, like, I gotta say, like, all you do in this genre is do this. Listen, I can like do it or like, you know, it's crazy. That's music. People love that. Yeah, porncore, I guess. I don't fucking know, like. Oh yeah, if you, let me just, for people that don't know, if you, hang on. There's a band that has a bird as a vocalist. Did you know that? Mm-hmm. Hang on. Yep. There's a fucking band that has a bird as a vocalist. They're called Hatebeak. I don't know if they're active anymore, but you know, I just want you to imagine this thing. This thing singing you the sweet sounds of metal. Let's take a listen. This song is fucking 4 minutes, alright? It's 4 minutes of this. Oh. You know, there's ideas where you're just like, should we do this? And you have to ask yourself, yes or no. And this particular band said yes. I have fucking no clue what they're doing. Anyway, this band is called Hatebeak. There's actually a band with dogs as the vocals. There's 2 pit bulls or something like that. And they just bark over like death metal. Let me play you something. You guys interested in some doggy metal? I got you some doggy metal. You like that? Alright, now take that in. Take that shit in. And consider the fact this band performed live. Not fucking joking. This band performed on stage with the dogs. And what's even more amazing, the dogs were trained to bark like in sync with whatever vocal performance they should do. So live they actually did this. Yeah. Would you see caninus? I sure would. Damn. Great. You know, there's only one thing we haven't explored yet that nobody has exploited. Cat metal. Meow meow. Will anybody break the virgin seas of kitty metal? Pussy metal. So what do you listen to, man?
I like pussy metal. Good music. I like it when pussy make noise. Yeah, come on, Copenhagen. Yeah, pussy.
Yeah, I know about the Austrian Death Machine. They're like, Austrian Death Machine isn't that amazing. I like Austrian Death Machine, but there's bands that do the whole shtick of like doing Arnold titles and like making it music. Oh god, what is this? Is actually like Kitty Sung 2? Oh fuck, what is this? Please don't tell me this is real. Okay, I've had enough. I'm done. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching all that shit. Rev's up next. Don't know what he's streaming, but yeah. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. See ya.